Hey guys, we got some sort of cameraman today or something. He's gonna be on the channel probably a little bit more. You wanna put your Instagram, plug it?
Dieselfan724. It's a private account, so yeah.
All right, but Brayden's on his way over, and we gotta get this little spot cleaned out so we can get some stuff on the go-kart. Hubs has showed up. This thing's a certified ripper.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, got the DeWalt battery.
For the lights.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't run that battery down there, bud.
Oh yeah, it's quality.
Yeah.
How's she sitting, Hopes?
Good.
All right, guys, we're gonna.
Starts first quality and starts better than brand new. Oh, wait.
That's good.
That goes in here, right?
Wait, you don't want to switch? Enough to make it road legal. Oh, that's not bad.
Say hi to
Well, I took all the 79cc stickers, so in Indiana,
Harper.
you
Wave
can
to the
ride
camera.
anything without
I know.
a license under 49ccs. So if a cop asks, it's 49ccs. Yeah, that'll work.
Dude, this better be quality.
Okay.
See him? Brayden's taking a sit.
That's what I do half the time here. I just sit.
Yeah.
Sit here and enjoy the show. Oh,
Brayden's kind of our certified ripper out of us. I just kind of do what I can.
I think you could be the truck guy. I'm more of like the hillbilly, dirt bike, mini bike, 4-wheeler guy.
I have more stuff coming.
good.
Then Harper always has his stuff broke. Because he rides a Yamaha, man.
Yeah.
If you had a Honda, you'd be ripping right now.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
You got electric.
Come over there, bud.
Build a little bracket. You take the kickstand off?
Why would you take it off?
Whatever.
So we're getting the bracket there, bud.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
I gotta rebuild it because I was still figuring it out.
So we got the bracket right there,
That was
bud.
kind of my.
I just thought you didn't want to edit a lot, so.
I don't feel like editing sharp noises in every 5 words.
Sharp noises. Yeehaw. That's what you gotta do.
I don't even curse that much, guys. Come on.
Hey, hey. PC?
Who's this?
Yeah, Harper, we're using your phone as
Alright, you good.
So we got these idiots here.
Reed, gotta get up under here where all the
Hey,
where all the action is happening.
We got the bracket partially in, cause you know these guys.
Get up under here so you can see.
Okay,
What's this
reading.
angle?
Look at that bracket.
Up like this.
He's hitting it with a hammer and a screwdriver.
What? It works.
These 2 hands will give you a good grip, you know?
Give her a good smack. Them tires are beefing. Hi, Brayden.
Where's the wrench?
What's wrench?
The 10. Alright. Don't need this.
Oh, there's the wrench.
We need some zip tie side.
I found the wrench.
Good guys!
Zip ties. Where's my phone? Why are you stealing my stuff?
I'll take this. Okay, thank you.
No, thank you.
We can stack too.
Then it would be
If
bright.
it'll fit. Maybe. I would like to keep one for a different bill, Brayden.
Well, they're mine now, Harper.
Okay, now we're getting the butt put on. Hey. Can you help Harper?
No, I'm okay. Hold on.
Okay. Do you want me to set this down?
What's
Stand
the
up for you?
screwdriver? Okay.
No cursing. I'll show you, Harper. You have a big mouth. Hey, that's my seat.
Hey,
It's for him to warm up his mittens.
move your meat, lose your seat. Idiot. And now we got the zip tie sides in the back, because if you don't use zip ties, then use zip ties. We got that light right back there. Right there. Right there.
We have my amazing wiring, John. I mean,
Yeah, look at that.
Wait, do you have?
Fires it right up. Oh. And then I think we're thinking of adding an underglow, right?
Something like that.
That light right there. Go try and connect
Kids,
this.
do not try my awesome wire stripping job at home.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and connect this light with that light. Oh hey. Try and connect it with that wire, so then we only need one wire.
A what?
So yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
This?
No.
A creeper?
Crimper.
Oh.
I don't know what that is.
Well, then go into my house.
Why?
Because I have a crimper. I need wire stuff.
So we're taking this show to your house?
Maybe.
Okay.
I want to get this one up mounted first.
Yeah, hold on. I'll mount that after because I know exactly what I want to do. That's bright too.
That's bright.
I think it's brighter than Dale.
Right on the nail generator, bud. Right there. Right there.
Reed, come here.
That.
Oh, just hold it. I'll see it. See, I like how it shows the engine and stuff.
Yeah, we could probably mount one on the front here too.
Gas in your face.
Yeah, I do smell like that.
Straight pipe, buddy.
Because I'm running bigger jets on this. That's how it backfires.
Really?
Yeah.
You put? That's what I need. New jets for my dirt bike because it's a Yamaha.
Yeah, I'm running way too big of jets.
Wait, if you start that.
All you need is a new air filter and you already got the straight pipe. All you need is a new air filter, then it's gonna
I'm
be
not
faster.
spending anymore. I just want to get an engine like this. You know?
Because you always have a full stage one kit.
That engine makes stuff rattle. Is that what you were doing?
Well, that engine makes a lot of stuff rattle.
Yeah.
When it was in the red mini bike.
Woo. Oh, that was some history.
What happened? Was it red? Which one was that one?
The Razor.
Oh.
You have 3DT?
No. Oh, please don't. Reed, pause the camera.
So Brayden decided to cut his helmet.
No.
Look at that big chunk he just took off. That's gay.
Didn't you buy that yourself, Brayden?
Huh?
Didn't you buy your helmet yourself? Okay.
So Brayden, what
Brayden, making some adjustments. You gotta record.
That's Brayden making adjustments on the mini bike.
Man. Oh my. Harper, you have these connectors, right? These first of them.
I don't know where my things are.
Yeah, we're gonna be driving go-kart.
I don't like that thing. Look at the light, dude.
Woo! Look at that light! Look at that dude! Look at this dude! Look at that dude!
And then that light, I'm just gonna slap it right onto these wires. What? He's probably gonna go cut some random stuff.
Yeah, he's got the thing.
Probably gonna mount it right there. Yeah. Try.
Ooh, oh.
Well, here, look.
Look at this quality. You might want to mount that. All right, guys, I took the camera. You even got the tail light. Got all the lights. It's not fully wired. The middle one. But there's electricity running through it. I know that for sure.
I don't know. I figured I would make it home.
Are you not going to shred before you leave?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, you ready? See a certified ripper. Watch, Brady's gonna be confused since me and Reed worked on the track yesterday. What's up? Me and Reed did a bit of work on the track. How does it feel?
I didn't shut it off, so that's not good.
Are you sure? Yeah, you did.
Braden. Look at that idiot. Give him some rest. He's just a certified ripper. Bring it down through here.
Go get him.
Guys, on that one, Braden landed right here. Good 6 feet. You break the ripper. One. Turn the bike around. Here, I'll hold on the back. Oh, let's have a car, boys. Woo!
Is it full throttle in that thing?
Yeah, it's slow.
Where's the other one?
He's riding where he wants. But yeah, guys, Brain just kind of ripping.
Harper,
Yeah?
you wanna get some clips of me going on the berm?
Woo! Oh, he could jump it! Dude, he jumped far on that one.
Far. Bro.
Yeah, Brain jumped real far on that one.
Like, I mean, that was hot. Ooh. Sounds like it's got a lobe tubing on it now.
Oh, yeah. It's okay, I'll straighten itself back out. I think I got a bit of dirt on me. So, all right, whenever you want to be a professional truck rider like me, there's a few things you need to know. All right, number one, you need yourself a quality leather jacket. Not like this. Like this. We can be real Harley riders today.
I'm sorry.
Then, you need a nice solid pair of mittens.
Ow.
This is how you become a professional Harley rider. Number three, you need yourself a nice pollen knocker.
I don't
Just
think that's
kidding.
gonna get it. Oh,
This one.
Oh,
'Cause
yeah.
This one's got the nose piece to make you look like an eagle whenever you're flying in the.
rolling.
Now that we're ready to go shred on our Harley, we're gonna go shred. Let me shred on my Harley.
Oh, shit, he's gonna drive it up the hill. Get on the other side of the road!
Alright guys, my hair probably looks bad, but this is basically what the pass are today. I wanted a more of an all-natural look on these jumps. So we have this almost straight off down into here. It doesn't go down there. So then you can take this down this track here and out. Or the other couple jumps we built tonight. We don't know if Brandon will be back to rip them, but as you can come through here. We have a jump here that's kind of sketchy, but it'll get better as we go. And then I really like this jump down here. Bit small, but alright guys, we're out night riding. Look how good this thing looks, bro.
This thing is bad, but
Bad Jammer Jammer! Great, jump it. Here! Take this trail in. Like right here.
bruh.
Don't tell Brayden about the jump at the bottom. I'm gonna tell him to take this path here. Come on, turn your light on.
Turn your light off and hide.
No, look. I'm recording you. Brayden! There's a trail right here. Take the trail. Here, take that trail. Raid, I need another light. I'm trying to find my gloves and my mittens. All right, yeah, guys, if we're going to get some pictures now, I'm probably going to have to beep that up from Brayden. Stop talking. Oh, sorry.
Hurry up, because I don't want to kill my battery.
We all gotta get in that. We gotta all get in picture for our outro.
And then I'm
Alright.
What? Oh,
Part is 2. No.
Oh.
We just had to play that. Alright guys, this was our mini bike build for now. We got a bit of night riding in. Probably gonna be another short video for our TikTok about the lights and whatever, but it's pretty sick for now. And yeah. So make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. If you have any recommendations we should do to this, make sure you let us know. And yeah, that's it.